Alright, y'all. Here we are. Let's see, yesterday was 1 week, so 8 days. 8 days post-operative for a total right hip replacement. I gave up the walker yesterday. Kind of got my balance sorted out now. So I can walk gently with the cane. Definitely still got a lot of swelling and soreness and stiffness at the surgery site. Excuse me. And I am now starting to have actual, when I come from like a sitting position on the couch or in my chair or something, or even when using the restroom. Now when I do go to stand, the first step or two, the first, minutes, or maybe, minute, but several seconds, 30 seconds or so, I kind of got to get that same deep hip joint pain, like way down in the hip here, where I was having it before for years. Well, where the new ball and socket is at, let's say that. I hadn't been feeling that at all the first several days using the walker and stuff, but now today, being up on the cane, I've been walking a lot, man. I've been walking a lot today. I've been pacing back and forth up and down this driveway. In the house walking. Standing at the edge of the garage door doing my exercises. So, this is what it looks like. I mean, I feel like I'm walking okay. I am bearing some weight on the cane. Is a little, kind of get a little bit off balance. Not much, but a little bit. So, we'll see. It's getting better every day, I guess. The pain, I haven't been taking any pain medication. Since the first weekend. I took, I think, 3 pills out of the whole prescription bottle so far. And that was just within the first 3 days, I think. 2 days, maybe. So, I don't like to punish myself, but I like to push myself. Not gonna hurt myself, but I'm not gonna be sucking down pain pills either and dealing with the side effects of that and all of that bull. So this is me. 8 days out. Get rid of this cane here pretty soon. I mean, I can move gently around without it. You see, I can move just gently, real small baby steps. But those small baby steps could lead to a big fall without some support. So use the cane, get better and better. PT guy's gonna be here in a little while. Get another day of that done, and we'll be back. Right hand twist out.